Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Chevelle SS 1965 one, and this is by Johnny Lightning. I don't remember if I ever unboxed anything from this brand in our channel. Uh, let's start with this one then. Okay, so it has all this cars in this particular release. So I was able to get only one of this, the Chevelle SS. Okay, I don't know if I want to save this card. It is not worth saving. It is already, the blister is fully open and all. Okay, let's remove it. That's it. We unboxed it immediately. Okay, let me just put this aside for a second. Let me just throw this out. The card is a bit hard. I don't know. I don't have any necessity to save it. Anyway, they are going to have that name under the chassis. Okay, it has a bit of dust here. Let me just clean this up a little bit. Okay guys, here I am. So I just cleaned it up a little bit because those dust particles. Okay, so out of the box the casting actually looks really solid, but it's a glossy black and it's a bit old casting, so it has some paint issues. Okay, those are firecrackers. I think this video will be released end of Diwali week. Yeah, so I didn't really plan it out, when which video is going to release. I'm just recording it. So if this video is getting released maybe during end of that particular week or during Friday or Saturday, so belated Diwali wishes. If it is getting released during Diwali or one day before Diwali, happy Diwali or advanced Diwali wishes, guys. So I will be going to my home for Diwali. Okay, so with that said, it has acrylic headlights, which is so cool. And so the detailing on this one looks really nice. The rims look so beautiful. And okay, these are plastic tires. Thank God for that. I personally prefer plastic tires over the rubber ones because again, plastic tend to melt over time. Rubber tends to melt over time. Plastic will, you know, stay the same till end of your life. So I personally prefer plastic tires. So we don't need to worry about melting. Okay, it has good interior detailing to it. So I really wish they given openable doors. It doesn't have openable doors, but the interior looks really good. Even the steering wheel, you can see it is. I think it is true to this casting. You can see the wedges there, right? It looks really good, and it has windshield wipers as well. So cool. Let me see from my perspective. Wow, it has everything. It has even the gear lever and everything here. So I'm recording this in this wide angle camera, so I don't have any flashlight in my phone to put it inside. Let me see from this angle. I hope you guys can able to see that. So it looks like we have some opening part here, but I am not sure how to open it. Let me see. Okay, so before that, body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic, but the chassis is having awesome detailing, man. Look at this. I don't know, this part is a bit going in. Let's see if it has suspension. It doesn't have any suspension, but yeah, it has opening part. Wow, that is so awesome. I'm really happy that I actually unboxed this casting today. Okay, even this roof here, this has the detailing to it. You can see here, guys. That is really cool, man. I'm really happy I actually bought this casting for a reasonable price. Looks like I need to buy more Johnny Lightning instead of other brands. Okay. Let's see if this opens here. I'm hoping that it would open. It's a separate piece. Come on, man, open. Okay, it is not opening. So I guess it won't open. Okay, so it doesn't open. I think this is just a separate piece, that's it. But I'm happy that the engine bay opens and it has a good really nice engine detailing to it. So it has taillight details here which is painted on, and it's okay, man, that is negligible. I mean, it has literally every other detail which is really beautiful, and the rims are looking really great. And I'm not even ready to complain about anything here. Not even thinking about complaining about anything here. It has acrylic headlights also. The grill details look so awesome. The logo, the Chevrolet lettering looks really perfect. The logo here is really great. And even here you can see the Chevelle SS badging. It's really awesome. And even the interior on this one looks so cool. I mean, I do love muscle cars. So I'm really happy that I'm buying this. I mean, not only this, the rest of the cars as well. I can see something moving here. I don't know what this is supposed to be. This is just another piece or supposed to do anything here. There's a riveted here. Okay, I don't want to damage anything on this car. I love it. It's really beautiful. Maybe let me show you guys one more time on the engine part. And see guys, these are selling around like somewhere around 800 to 1000 or so. We are buying mini GT for like 1900, 1800 for similar amount of detailing. Okay, so one preference, I guess. So I do like mini GT, but there are some casting which I feel like atrocious. Okay, 38 grams, not bad. Let's do a roll test. Wow, that rolls really well. I mean, I didn't expect to roll really well, to be honest. Okay, honestly, guys, I don't know how to rate this because I'm not sure whether I'm going to buy other Johnny Lightnings. I'm planning to, but let's see. Because after this casting, I would really love to buy Johnny Lightnings. Okay, so even if I want to rate this out of 10, I would give a 10 because I don't see any issue with it. See the paint bubbling, it happens to like 90% of the manufacturers because it is getting old. So only one brand which I never faced that issue when it comes to 164, which is Maisto. I never faced that issue so far. So apart from that, rest every brand, including Mini GT, I do have a Mini GT, that Lamborghini LBWK Chase, that blue version, that has a lot of paint bubbling on it, uh, like paint rashes kind of thing. So if if I want to rate this, I would give 10 out of 10, to be honest. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.